Have you ever wondered why mosquitoes seem to avoid certain plants? Every summer, people fill their gardens and balconies with fragrant herbs, hoping to keep these annoying insects away. But does it actually work? The answer is yes, to a certain extent. Mosquitoes don't randomly find people. They track us using the carbon dioxide we breathe out, our body heat, and the natural chemicals released by our skin. Some plants produce powerful essential oils. These scents can interfere with the mosquito's sense of smell, making it harder for them to locate a host. One of the most famous examples is Citronella. Its fresh, lemon-like scent is widely used in candles, sprays, and outdoor products designed to help repel mosquitoes. Lavender is another favorite. People love its relaxing fragrance, but mosquitoes generally don't. Peppermint, basil, rosemary, and lemon balm also contain natural compounds that have shown mosquito-repelling properties in scientific studies. But here's something many people don't know. Simply placing these plants in your garden won't create an invisible mosquito shield. Their scent becomes much stronger when the leaves are crushed or when their essential oils are extracted. These plants may help reduce mosquito activity around your home, but they shouldn't replace proven protection like insect repellent or window screens. Nature has developed these remarkable scents to protect plants from insects, and with a little knowledge we can benefit from them too.